So this is an EOS 7. It's pretty similar to a digital EOS, like if you've handled one already. So it's a film one. So the front of the lens, you have the lens mount. So you just press the lens release button, twist counterclockwise, and remove it. To reattach it, just look for the red dot, align it with the red dot. Do that. Then this one's the depth of field preview. So if you turn this on, aperture priority, set it to there, ISO 16. If you press that button, that's what it's used for. Turn this off. Then this one's the main dial. This one's the shutter button. So you have press this to focus and full press to shoot. This is the AF lamp. So this lights up to assist in autofocus. And this is the IR sensor. You have a remote, like trigger it from afar. Then the bottom, you have the tripod mount, and you have the battery. It uses two CR123A batteries. If you want to open it, just do this. These guys. Polarity is indicated there. Just close it. If you want to test the battery, just turn it on. It should show you there, the battery indicator. So there's four levels. So currently it's full. Now at the left side of the camera, you have the film back open. The left side of the camera, you have the film back lever used to open the film back. I had a separate video to show you how to replace this. It's a common problem for these cameras. On the other side, you have this. This is the remote control terminal. So this is for cable release. Like traditional cameras where you have like the trigger, like this one, where you put it in here, you thread it in here. These new EOS film cameras, well, new relative to those days, they use a cable you put in there.